Obagi Blender and Obagi Clear are two remarkable products in the Obagi skincare line. Known for addressing skin concerns such as uneven tone and hyperpigmentation, the Obagi new derm system is a well-respected corrective system designed to rejuvenate aging and photo-damaged skin, with 4% hydroquinone as its star ingredient. Obagi has been a pioneer in transformational skincare for over 35 years, with a commitment to inclusivity, accessibility, and scientific innovation. The new derm system offers tailored solutions for different skin types, making it versatile and effective for various individuals. The system targets common skin issues like dark spots, an uneven complexion, hyperpigmentation, and melasma. The new derm system provides tailored solutions for different skin types, including sensitive and acne-prone skin. The system comprises a series of products that work together to deliver comprehensive skin transformation. Obagi Blender enhances the effectiveness of other products in the new derm system and prepares the skin for optimal absorption. Obagi Clear directly targets skin imperfections and is essential for those looking to address dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and uneven skin tone. Obagi Blender contains ingredients like arbutin, glycerin, ascorbic acid, and lactic acid to enhance the skin's appearance and hydration. Obagi Clear contains hydroquinone, ascorbic acid, lactic acid, and glycerin to target dark spots and achieve an even skin tone. Obagi Blender is priced at approximately $99 to $110 for a 2-ounce container, while Obagi Clear ranges from $100 to $120. To use both products effectively, cleanse the skin, apply a thin layer of Obagi Clear or Obagi Blender to the affected area, and follow with other skincare products. Obagi reviews and experiences show the effectiveness of these products, with real-world before and after results confirming the power of the new derm system.